honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I got the best honeys in the world. Okay, I got another card. It's for Walter. Thank you so much for lifting him up in prayer during this time. So, this is from Brenda. I'm not going to call her last name. And here's the card. Beautiful card, and it has beautiful reading. Plus, she wrote me something and she wrote Walter something. So I'll read the card. It's hard to feel blessed. Let me start over. It's hard to feel blessed when you don't feel your best. Please relax and take care. You're remembered in prayer. That's beautiful. So I'm going to read what she wrote to me. I'm not going to read Walter's part. P.S. to MzBrazell. You be of good cheer despite what's going on with Walter. You are his sunshine and his everything. So you keep smiling and lifting him up. Get your rest, eat what you enjoy, chicken wings, and laugh as often as you can. I'll be praying for you as well as for Walter. God bless. From your friend, Brenda. November 16th, 2019. And then she wrote something to Mr. Walter Butler. Okay, our last name is Ford. Okay. But he answers to Butler, Brazel, and Ford. Okay, so thank you so much, Brenda. Thank you very much. Okay, let me end this now. I don't want to start crying because I appreciate you all a lot. For real, for real, for real, for real. Thank you so much. So this is my thumbnail. And I just heard him, he's just not getting up. It's almost 3 o'clock. So I'm about to hit the streets. So I don't want him trying to get ready because I'm ready to go right now. I got to mail something else at the post office. Plus check my P.O. box. I'm supposed to be getting an air fryer oven, the Cicero. So I don't know what's taking so long. Okay, so thanks for watching. Thumbs up, and you all be blessed. Okay, bye.